Union Finance Minister Nirmala Sitharaman presented the budget. Much is being talked about what the middle class, which forms the major chunk of India's population, stands to gain from it. The budget of 2024 is focused towards the long-term interest of the middle class population, ensuring maximum benefit for every rupee paid by the taxpayers. Talking about taxation, the standard deduction in the new tax regime has been increased from Rs 50,000 to Rs 75,000, directly benefiting the middle class. There are a slew of other measures such as a standard deduction on family pension, increase of NPS contribution, which has ensured long-term social welfare of the middle class. The revised tax rate saves up to Rs 17,500 for salaried employees. The government has also slashed CBD on 3 major life-saving cancer medications, essential electronic commodities, which increases personal disposable income of the middle-class population to a great extent. The second most important thing that directly affects the middle class is employment. The Modi government has provided entrepreneurship boost by enhancing collateral-free Mudra loans limit from 10 lakh to 20 lakh. The continued focus on capex at Rs 11.11 lakh crore ensures tax revenue is not squandered in mindless freebies. The overall multiplier effect of infra development on job creation is immense. Abolishment of angel tax on startups for all investors is another welcome move that has the potential to increase employment avenues for the middle class population. The aspirations of the middle class of India has risen beyond roti kapda makan as it should be. Fulfilling their aspirations, the Modi government has laid a special emphasis on making education easily accessible to all by easy loans of up to 10 lakh and 3% interest subvention, which speaks volumes of the rightly placed intent of the government. Impetus on PM Awas 2.0 with investment up to Rs 10 lakh crore for urban areas and transparent rental housing markets will ensure a major breather for the middle class. At the same time, the Pradhan Mantri Surya Ghar Muft Bijli Yojana will help in reducing bills and solve all major housing necessities of the middle class population. When someone is hungry as an administrator, you have 2 choices. One, you can give them a slice of bread and keep reminding them of your generosity. 2, you can teach them how to earn their own bread and become self-reliant. This budget is definitely the latter.